Okay, so hello everybody. So this is Victor again, and I'm a proud member of Super U Display Group. And in Super U, we specialize in retail shop design, and we manufacture all the customized furniture for our clients. And we have been in the shop fitting business for over 15 years, and we have done over 2,000 different shop projects all over the world. So today, I'm going to show you a project I just finished for our clients in Guam. It's a surfing and clothing shop. So let's begin. So right from here, this is the logos we have for the shop. So this we will hang on the front door. And so the entire logo is made with powder-coated steel. And as you can see, we get customized different color. So blue, white, and it all depends on your logo design. So this all made with powder-coated steel. And this one, this made with painted MDF. Also, we can customize the color as well. So this is a stand we put in the front, in the center of the shop. And come here, please. So as this piece, this is one of the most important piece in the shop. It's a reception desk. The entire desk is made with wood veneered MDF with a painted powder-coated steel logo in the front. And in the back, it is made tempered clear glass as a showcase. And also for the countertop, we use black artificial marble stone. And we also have storage room in the back with keys and locks. Yeah, so as you can see. So the entire showcase, the entire reception desk is designed by our design team as well. So we can actually customize your shop from 3D design to manufacture. So we can make anything you guys want based on your preference, your budget, and your brand image. Okay, so this way. So this is the back cabinet we will put behind the reception desk. The entire cabinet is made with veneered MDF, and also for the shelving board, we use painted MDF. Also, we have a storage cabinet below, and we have a lot of storage room. And also for under each shelving board, we have LED light. So we can customize light under the shelving, also under the skirting. And we have wood veneered slab as decoration as the backboard. And also on top, we have a soft film light box with customized logo, the HUD. This is the brand of our clients. And let's come here this way. So this is actually a clothing shelf we made for our clients. This is fixed on the wall, and we have melamine MDF shelving board and powder-coated steel shelving frames. And also, this is a corner column we put on the corner to fill the space. This is made with melamine MDF as well. And we also have removable hanging hooks that you can put on the hanging bar. Okay. And this, so this two piece is powder-coated steel we use as a clothing rack. You can hang different clothing on top here. This is put in the side of the shop. And here, please. So this two unique piece is actually the centerpiece of the shop. Is a clothing island. It's actually a decoration island. So we actually have different small stands we put on the top. This is made with painted MDF, and the island is made with melamine MDF. So as you can see, we actually have wood decorations we use for melamine material. So we can customize different color and different color pattern based on our client's choice. And we have storage unit below. And this is also MDF, so we can have wood veneered MDF, wood veneered melamine, and black melamine. So it's all customized. And so this one is similar, but the difference between this one and that one is we have a storage cabinet underneath. You can put different products inside. And also we have painted MDF stand. And most important piece, I think most unique one we have is this. So this is actually an umbrella display we made custom built for our clients. So you can see we have different functions you can put on one single display. So this particular side is a pegboard. We can have different hanging hooks put on top and adjust. We can adjust the height and the different position based on the size of the product. So you can put the hooks anywhere you want. And on this side, we have adjustable shelving board. It's made with wood veneer material. And you can adjust the height based on the size of your product as well. And also come this way. We actually have an umbrella cabinet. We can put a different umbrella on here in each cabinet, and also the longer one here. Yeah, and this piece is made with melamine MDF and powder coated steel. Thank you. And on this side we have a clothing cabinet. We have removable hanging hooks. It's made with powder coated steel and melamine MDF shelving board, and also logo board on top. So we can adjust the hanging bar, depends on the size of the product. Also the baseboard is made with melamine MDF as well. And for the backboard we have black melamine, and for the baseboard we have wood colored melamine. And this is a mirror cabinet. The entire unit is made with wood veneered MDF, and you can open the mirror. Actually, there is storage room inside. So, except the mirror, we actually have storage room inside. So here, yeah. And for this, all the hanging hooks on the hanging bar is removable, and you can adjust depends on the position of your product. And so this is all adjustable. Yeah, so like this. And also for this particular piece is a resting bench and a product bench. So for the resting bench, we have a soft cushion for people to sit on here, and we also have a storage cabinet below. And the entire piece is made with artificial leather and a soft cushion inside with melamine MDF as the base material. So this is made with melamine MDF as well. And also please come this way. And here are all the clothing shelf and hat shelf we have. The most important piece we have is the green one. So the difference between the green shelf and the metal shelf is the green shelf is made with painted MDF, and under each shelf we have custom-made LED light to highlight the product. And so the cabinet is made with painted MDF, and the shelving board is made with painted MDF as well. And we have a storage room below, like this. Yeah. And for the clothing piece, I think this one is pretty unique. So the backboard we have here is made with pegboards, powder coated steel pegboard, and we have custom-made hanging hooks we can put on here. So depend on the size and the quantity of the products you want to put on the shelf, you can adjust the position of each hooks. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching me. So if you guys ever need shop fitting or planning to open a new shop, please call us or message us on Alibaba. Thanks.